Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer music from your Apple iPhone to your Apple Watch Series 11. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you how you can transfer music to your Apple Watch Series 11 so that you can have the music saved on the storage of the Apple Watch, and you can listen to it on the go and not have to be connected to internet or Wi-Fi, or even have to be connected to your phone, because the music will be saved in the storage of your Apple Watch. So if we go in the Apple Watch here to the Apple Music app, okay, you'll see that there is no music currently. Okay, so we're gonna change that in this video. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to get your Apple iPhone. Okay, you're gonna need to obviously already have your Apple Watch paired to your iPhone, and because we're gonna be using the Apple Watch app here. The next thing you're gonna need to do is make sure that your iPhone has Bluetooth on. So turn Bluetooth on. And the other thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need to already have music saved in the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Okay, so if we go to the Apple Music app here and we go to songs, okay, you'll see that I have a library full of music. Okay, this is because I already transferred music from my computer to my iPhone. So it's also saved here in the storage of the iPhone. Okay, if you haven't done that yet, I'll also have a video link down below on how to transfer music to your iPhone first. Once you have the music here in your library of your iPhone, then we can proceed. So we're gonna go into the Apple Watch app. Okay, in the Apple Watch app here, we're gonna scroll down to music. Okay, right here. And here we're gonna select add music. Okay, so here we're gonna select from the music that's in the Apple Music library on the iPhone. So let's go over here to artists. So here's a few artists. We can go to genres. So the way I like to do this, which is a lot faster, is you go into your Apple Music app first, and here we're gonna go back to playlists. Okay, we're gonna create a playlist. Okay, I already have it created here, but I named it all. Okay, so go to all here, and here we're going to add music to this playlist. So select add music. Okay, here I'm gonna select songs, and all my songs will pop up here. So here you're gonna have to select songs to add to that playlist one by one. So let's hit the plus sign here to add songs. I'm not gonna add all of them, but I will add a few of them for the purpose of the video. All right, there you go. I think that's good for now. So once you've selected all the songs you want on your playlist, hit the red check mark up here. So there you go, your playlist has been created. So now it will be easier to transfer this to the Apple Watch, okay? All right, let's go back into the Apple Watch app now. Okay, let's go over to music. And as you can see, now we have the 31 songs that I selected from the playlist here. Okay, so I have automatically download enabled. If yours does not show this, you can go ahead and add music here. Go over to playlist and select the playlist that we just created all. Okay, so there you go. It's going to be transferred over, but your Apple Watch needs to be connected to a charger and charging for it to transfer the music over. So let's go ahead and place it in my charger over here. So there you go. As we can see, now it is updating music on Apple Watch. So we'll just have to wait for this loading bar to complete here. All right, so it looks like it finished downloading or transferring over to the Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and grab the Apple Watch and check it out. All right, so now back here on the Apple Watch, let's go into the Apple Music. Okay, let's go over to library and let's select songs. And as you can see, now we have music here. All the songs in white are that they were transferred over to the Apple Watch so we can listen to them. All right, let's go ahead and connect the Apple Watch to this Bluetooth speaker here to test it out. All right, so let's go into settings here and make sure we connect the Bluetooth. All right, so there we go. It looks like it's connected. Let's go ahead and play some music to test it out. Yeah, let's go put the music up. Yep, so there you go. Looks like it's working perfect. All the songs in black here that you see are songs that are on the Apple Music app on the iPhone, but that I didn't select to transfer over to the Apple Watch. So that's why you'll see them like that. Only the songs that are in white are the ones that we actually selected to transfer over on that playlist. All right, so there you go. That is how you transfer music to your Apple Watch Series 11 so you can listen to it on the go and offline. Go ahead and destroy that like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below and let me know. And also, if you want to check out our 45-watt super fast chargers, which charge your phone 3 times as fast as regular chargers, check out the links down below in the description. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.